Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to insert per 10,000 symbol in MS Word. This guys very easy. First click on insert. Here you see insert option is available. Click on it. Then here you see symbol option is available. Click on it. Again click on symbols. Then click on more symbols. And font select this one. Subset select this one and character code is 2031. And click insert. How much can you add? And shortcut key is also available. 2031 Alt plus X. Please like, share and comment, and this video useful or not, please comment.